that one. Just I will explain once about the troubleshooting. Okay. Here it is. Unable to send receive a mail. So we'll just last class we discussed about Outlook, simple Outlook related issues. One is unable to send and receive a mails. So this is the mails I got it so far from yesterday. But today someone sent me a mail, but I didn't get any mail in my mailbox. I didn't find the mails in any other boxes also. Okay. So I'm not getting any new mails, even though there is a mails. Second one is I try to compose a mail and I click a send button, but mail is not sent. So I check in a sent items, the mail not in the sent items. Okay, it is went to this. Where is that? Outbox, like drafts. Here is the name is drafts. Some places it called outbox. Some places it is called drafts. The mail is in drafts. It means mail is not sent successful. Mail is in not in the sent items. Mail is in drafts or outboxes. Means your composed mail is not sent. Okay, or maybe it is showing in a sent mails, but originally that person is not getting any mail. So mostly it is not in the sent mails. That is the first. The question is, what is the question? Unable to send and receive mails. Okay, what is the issue? Maybe internet, because as I mentioned the point, if you want to send a new mail or to retrieve a new mails or receive a new mails, what we need internet. So the point is, it can be your internet issue. It can be your internet issue. Okay. So first check the internet. First check the internet. Okay. So here it is. I am getting internet not. So how to get it? Check open some website. Okay. So I try to open some website. This is open, browse. So my internet is working. So internet is working means it related to the Outlook or a mail server. Okay. Check internet. Yes, working. Means issue related to Outlook or a mail server. Okay. Or some other kind of stuff. Some other issues can be possible. So you check the internet not working. Internet not working. The first resolve internet issue. Okay. So you are unable to send and receive a new mails. So what? First check the internet. Internet working. Maybe it is application related issues. Means mail server issues or mail can be application configuration, mail server related issues. Okay. There is a possibility of different, and if it is internet is not working, then first of all set the things. Next, check the configuration. So as I said, Internet is working, check the configuration. What configuration? Outgoing mail server configuration. What is outgoing mail server protocol? SMTP. Okay. Incoming mail server. Okay. So POP3 are imap related settings. Okay. So means here we have to check it. Server names, protocols, port numbers. Okay. Correct protocols you are given. Correct port numbers you are given. Correct server name you are given. Okay. Or IP address. Some places they use IP address for server names. Okay. These settings are important. Check the configuration. Check internet. Is internet working or not? Check configuration. Your configuration is given is right or wrong. Okay. Check for a password changes. Check for a password changes. Guys, you change a password. Password is changed by user. I changed my password. Every account has a password. I changed my password. Now I'm telling that is I'm unable to access my mails, but I changed my password. So you cannot send and receive if authentication is failure, right? So obviously password is changed by user or maybe admin. Okay, make sure any admin is change the password. Password expires. Certain times password has a expiry date. For example, your bank accounts, bank user logins, the expire in a 180 days. Every 180 days, the bank password will be expired. Same in a organization, if they put a rule, every 30 days, password must be changed. Or every year, password must be changed. Every 6 months, password must be changes. So they will put a rule, password expiry changes. If you don't change within the password date, means today is a 5th March. So I have a 1 month password. Today I changed my password. After changing password, it is 1 month, means 30 days. Okay. So April 5th, by April 5th, I have to change my password again. If I don't change it by April 5th, the password will expire. So you cannot able to communicate, right? So password may expires. So check with the administrator, his password is valid or not. What to do? Check. Okay. Reason is password is expired. So different things, Outlook application not working, relog it, control panel, this kind of stuff is there. So here it is. Few things you have to do kind of stuff. So one is try login to your webmail account. Okay. For example, this is my Outlook. I can't able to send. I can't able to release. Possible configuration. Possible password expiries. Possible application is not working. Possible internet is not working. So what I do? I open my web application. In the web application, I put my web client mail, web client link. Then I'll try to log in here. When I log in, my mails are working. I can able to send and receive mail. So here it is. Try, send, and receive new mails. Try to send and receive a new mails. Okay, this is one. Okay, working application issue. Okay, so if it is working, what we can say, it is application related issue. Okay, if it is not working, okay, not working, maybe it is password or mail server, your mailbox is full possibilities. If your mailbox full, delete any old or unnecessary mails. Okay, guys. So here it is. Try to log into your webmail. You are in the webmail again. If it is showing something like you can able to send and receive a mail. So your application may be volume. Okay. If it is not working, it means you try to log in, you cannot able to log in. Means password issue. You can able to log in, but still you can able to send and receive a mail. So mail related mail server is also there. No, maybe mail server having some issues. Mailbox is full. Okay, possible that where mails are stored, user mails are stored in the mailbox, in a user's mailbox. If it is full, so you cannot able to send an mail. If your mailbox is full, please delete any old or unnecessary mails. Some mails you can delete. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say. So this is one of the solution. So here it is. Why I said log out and log in. Okay, if it is an application issue. Okay, so if you think it is application issue, what to do? Try log out and log in. Okay, log out or sign out and try to log in my network. Sign out or log out. Here, that maybe can do it or restart your PC. Okay, so this is trying to say. Application. Yeah, here it already I have written these things. Application not working. If you think application is not working, so you can use log out and log in from your PC. Okay, and reset your PC, or you can do go to the control panel. So here it is. Go to control panel. Go to programs and features. Find out where is your Microsoft Office 365 or Microsoft Office or Outlook. So I'm trying to locate where is my Microsoft. Mine is Office 365. Here it is. Okay, right click, go to the change. Yes, quick repair, online repair. I choose online repair, click repair. It will take time, but it will going to solve. It may solve your issues. It is Outlook application related. Generally, try to log out and log in from your PC or restart your PC. Maybe try open application and do it. Or you can try log out and control panel. So second one is you can go to control panel, try to repair it. If you want a screenshot, screenshots also available here. Okay, this is the application troubleshooting. Okay. Or you can uninstall the application, restart your PC, reinstall applications. Try to delete some cache data from percentage temp, and prefetches. And do the disk cleanup. It may help you to open. Yeah, one more cause and application related. One more cause is there. That is location drive is full. Example, your C drive is full. So how to confirm? Open a web browser. You can able to access with your browser, but not with Outlook. So you can also check your example. Your C drive is full. It shows a red color. Okay. So you can clean up the disk, free up your some space in C drive. Guys, this is about your Outlook troubleshooting. Again, you are unable to send and receive mail. Till yesterday, it is working fine. Now it is not working. Or you just configured freshly and it is not working. Again, you have to check internet working or not. If internet is working, then there is a other issues. Internet not working, first resolve the internet issues. Okay. Second, check the configuration. Have may change any something change in the configuration. Either it is a server side or a client side. Settings are changed. This is a possibility that settings may cause unable to send and receive new mails. Or maybe password is changed or a password is expiry. That's why we can't able to access. How to verify this configuration and change, how to make sure that where it exactly happened. Okay, to understand, make sure that your mail communication is working. How? Go to the web browser. Try open your mail in web browser, because this wording is lighter. Web mail means again people will think what is web mail. Okay, So open your mail in a web browser. So try to send and receive a new mails. So if it is working, your application related issues, we can understand. Not working, so if you are unable to log in, password related issues. If you are able to log in, but maybe a mail server related issues, or maybe your mailbox is full. If your mailbox full, delete any old or unnecessary mails. Okay. So sometimes your C drive is full. That is also causes. And if in case your Outlook application is not working, just log out and log in from your PC or restart your PC. Try to open application. Maybe background services causing some issues. Of course, you have to scan with antivirus. That is one more option. Okay, you can use some antivirus and scan your system. Okay, so if any virus effect is there, possibility it is not working. Okay, for my malwares, it is also causes that one. Try logout login from PC, restarting your PC. Try to repair your applications. Go to control panel or appuse.cpl. This is directly it opens this programs and features. What is the shortcut? Appuse.cpl. Directly control panel and programs and features. This is just a note point only, guys. Okay, not anything, just for our noting point purpose only. Okay, so right click on Microsoft Office apps or Office 365 app, which app it is. Right click, change, and go for online repair. Or you can uninstall applications, restart your PC, and then install it again. Try to clean up your temporary files or clean up your disk, free free up the disk space. Free up the disk space. Guys, it is simple to troubleshoot anything. One is understand what is an issue, what are the probable causes. So test your theory means why it is occurring. So which is actually you have to test. Like we're testing your theory, right? Try to open a mail in a web browser. Testing your theory. So what exactly happened? So we are trying to prove this is the why it is happened like this, or this is actually happened. So that is we are trying to prove with the test your theory and plan and implementation. Start doing. So then it will resolve your problems and verify the fixes. Do preventive measures. Make sure it is working and it should not be occur again and again. Do something to it should not be occur again. So guys, this is your Outlook related troubleshooting. It's 5 o'clock. I cannot start anything. Guys, understand Outlook issue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, well, what I will do some continuously, some 2, 3 troubleshooting related things. Just I told one method, that is troubleshooting model, SOP and troubleshooting model. Okay. So anyway, we didn't start what is service desk, but this is a more helpful, guys. What is SOP? Standard Operating Procedure. I'm not going outside, guys. Just before I am going to tell some other troubleshooting, we have to keep always few things in our mind. Okay. So like this, first one is SOP, Standard Operating Procedure. For example, there is a client. The client need to install. You have to install some application in his system. Example. Okay, or maybe you have to connect a remote server and you have to do some updates, fast working. Okay, so you have a remote server is there, so some Linux server. So now you have every week on a Friday, so or maybe on Monday you have to do some update, or maybe you have to do backup as a server engineer, or as a network engineer you have to do some maintenance work, or maybe you need to install new updates into the routers and switches. Okay, so or maybe you have to change some configurations on a regular daily or time based kind of stuff. Okay, so you do some operations, it can be a daily operations, weekly or monthly operations, so you do it. So what companies do? Company will do a step-by-step instructions. This is the process. First of all, do this one. Next, 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 next. Check box, checklist kind of stuff. Okay. If you do that one, your that task will is become more easier and become more transparent, and it will reduce your miscommunications and failures. So you follow the procedure, outcome is more successful outcome, more efficient and more quality output you can able to get it. So what is SOP? Standard Operating Procedure is a set of step-by-step instructions compiled by organization to help workers carry out complex routine works. So it's a daily task on, or maybe a regular task only. Maybe it can be a backup, or maybe it is an update, or maybe it is some installation related. Okay, maybe a routine checks it is. Okay, or maybe you should install new printer. Maybe you have to do some maintenance work. SOPs are helpful. Okay, that is designed by organization. It's just step by step instructions. Okay. Yeah, I will tell these 2 points later. So what is these points? I will tell this, guys. But you got issues. Okay. For that one also there is a SOP model is there. That is called troubleshooting model. If you got any issues, printer is not working, Outlook is not working, internet is not working, server unable to access the server, services are unable to access, service is down. Okay, internet is down, or maybe login machines are not working. You go and put a thumb, it is not working. For anything, so there is a standard 6-step process is there. That is called a troubleshooting model. Identify the problem, establish probable causes, test the theory, establish plan and implement a solution, verify the fix and do preventive measures, document finding. document finding. So here it is. We got an issue, Outlook related, unable to send and receive a mail, unable to send and receive a mail. So what is the issue? What is the issue? Identify the issue. What is the problem? Identify the problem or identify the issue. Unable to send and receive a mails. Establish the probable causes. What are the probable causes we establish? Internet is working or not. Okay. Are you able to access from the web browser or not? Okay. So do you have change any recent configurations? Is it application related issue? So we establish different causes. We, because of any of the cause, you are getting this issue. So we put a possibility of different causes. Test your theory. So test the theory. So which cause are likely be you are getting. So you're testing. So you access through web browser. From web browser, it is working fine. So it is Outlook related issues. Or maybe your internet issues. Internet is not working. So what I can able to do first fix the internet, then check the other things, right? So test your theory. So based on your probable causes, you test one by one and make sure where exactly issue is there. Okay. Establish the plan and action. For example, so here it is some um, uh, password issue is there. Your password is expiring. So what to do? So you have to raise an issue to the system administrator. So particular user password is expiring. So we cannot able to send and receive a mails. Or maybe Outlook related issue. Application is not at all working fine. So application having some configuration related issues. So what to do? So we'll uninstall the application or repair the application, or maybe we go to the configuration and we change the configuration. We remove every configuration it is and put a new configuration. Check the documents, which configuration exactly it should be there. And we plan how to do it and implement that solutions. Verify the fixes. Make sure you are sending a mail to send a 5, 10 send messages and receive reply from the messages. Now fix is working. Do preventive measures. That issue should not be occur again. So what is this? Password is expiry. Tell the user to do not. You have to change the password by this particular interval of time. Put the reminder. So then we can able to put it. Okay. So do the preventive measures. Okay. So put a like a password reminder. You have to change it. Once you change it, immediately you have to update in your Outlook. Okay. Or maybe ask admin. So do not put a password expiry in a very frequent time. So put it in 6 months or 1 year. Document finding. So what is the document finding? So if you identify an issue, so there is an issue. So in the document, you will put a what is an issue? Outlook is not working or unable to send a mail and receive. That is a issue. What is that cause? Password expiry. Okay. So how you test it? So that is what you have done to solve this. So password. So we change the password and implement. Now it is able to send and do it. What are the preventive measures you have done? So I've changed a password expiry time period and also give an instruction to the user if password is before expiry, you must change the password and apply the password into your Outlook account. So these are all goes for a document. What is the advantage of documents? Documenting what you have done, what happened, and what you have done. Okay, how you done and how what you have done to solve the issues. And after solving issues, both is important, right? You put in a document. So that is we call it. That will goes for a two things. One is KEDB and CMDB. Okay, this document is always helpful to you and your organization also. This document is helps to you and your organization also. Okay, known error database. So what is the known error database? I joined newly. I'm also having experience of 2, 3 years of experience. And but I try to join an organization, but not always same issues, right? I have seen different kind of issues in my previous organizations. In the new organization, it may be different issues, different type of solutions you have to do it for a based on the product and all. So what I will do, first of all, when I got a login, I will check KEDB, known error database. So in the known error database, these documents are available. So it is help me to understand what is an issue, what is a issue, what kind of issues it will occur, what kind of solutions people will actually suggest to solve these issues, and what are the preventive measures they have taken to not to occur again and again. Okay, so he will get some knowledge. What is the routine issues he will get it? What kind of solutions we can give it? So faster he can able to respond to the client's issues. Okay, and also the document finding. The document goes for a configuration management database. What is this configuration management database? So you have done a solution for a client and you have done that time it is look like good working. If some other issues is occur, this your document is helpful. So the some other issue is because of your solution, or maybe you are ignore that other issues and you solve this kind of stuff, and maybe issue is repeated, maybe you have done a correct solution or maybe wrong solutions, we don't know, right? So your document is helpful, so to say that what kind of issues occur, what kind of solution you have done. Okay, so it is for future reference for securing your job, or maybe help others organization, and help your organization health from this SLA violation kind of stuff also. Documenting is very important, guys. Guys, understand troubleshooting model?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will take any small issue and I will explain. Already application issue, already I explained that one. That cloud and Office 365, I will tell tomorrow. So generally, any application, because I told about Outlook, so then any Outlook application, so that's application. Outlook is also an application, right? So Outlook or any other applications. So you try to open application, it is not opening. Some issues are there. There are few things you can able to do it, guys. Okay, what is an issue? You try to open application, not working. Some error it is throwing, or maybe it is very slowly it is running, or it is throwing some error. So because of this we cannot it able to work. So try to understand why it is not working. So issue is, what is that? Identify the issue. Probable causes. Causes can be anything. Can be antivirus. Can be virus. Can be application related, right? So it is all top level only. So it can be antivirus, it can be virus, or it can be an application, or it can be some background other services. So anything depends upon what error it is showing on the screen. You have to understand why it is occur. Okay. So in generally, try to repair an application. How to do this? Try to repair kind of solution. Go to control panel and programs and features, select application and try to change, modify, repair and select a repair option. Already I showed for a Microsoft Office 365. So right click change, you'll get a quick repair, online repair. I select online repair. Okay. Okay. Another one is Uninstall an application. Application is getting a lot of data. Only one application, guys, not multiple applications. If it is a multiple application, there is another solution is there. Okay, so you cannot able to find any repair options, or you cannot able to find something in your system. So what you do, try to uninstall the applications. Try to uninstall that application and restart your PC and try to reinstall it again. Why we should restart your PC, guys? Even if you uninstall an application, the application related settings in your registry, it will be there, and temporary files, temporary settings, the settings also will be located in their temporary locations. So even if you uninstall and install immediately, so it comes with a older settings, older kind of information, it may not work again. So what to do? So you got an application related issue, uninstall the application, try repair it, not working, and go for uninstallation, uninstall the app, restart your PC, try install again. Scan with any antiviruses. Try scan your registry with a malware bytes. Okay. So try to scan your system or try to scan your registry because of some malwares, trojans and spywares, application may not be work. So here it is two screenshots I put it, one for Microsoft and another one is some other application. You can see modify, remove and repair options also. If multiple applications not working in your not working or properly not working in your system. Okay, try reset this PC. Okay, with option called keep files, because files are not does not have a problem. Application have a problem. So try to reset this PC and use keep files. How to go to the settings, update and security, recovery, and reset this PC. And want to see once, so I will show you settings, update and security, recovery. This reset this PC. Click get started. Keep files. There's some option. Do not do it until unless compulsory. Okay. If multiple applications are not working in your system, so try reset this PC. Or first of all, scan with antivirus. Okay. First of all, scan with antivirus. Okay, already I told that one. Entire system, mainly registries. And if still not working, still you cannot able to do it. So try to reset this PC. Some spam mail it is. Okay. Um, anything from here? I think we can remove this part because there we discuss unnecessary So very important one is there that is called a BSOD, blue screen of death. It's the most common question is BSOD. Okay. And I told about services, registries. I didn't told about registry, right? Yeah. Safe mode, BSOD. Maybe another time we should discuss these things. Remember what I didn't discuss, but read compulsory, guys. What is BSOD? Okay, blue screen of death. What is the importance of drivers? What is the operating system like that? Some questions are there. What is VPN? Okay. Some regular questions are there. Already I shared the questions. Please read it. Okay. Any doubts? Anything? Any?
No doubts.
Problem? So yeah, this is about a repairing kind of stuff. Tomorrow, so we'll discuss about Office 365 and some other things. Okay. Mostly morning only session. If any changes, I will inform immediately. Okay. That's it for today. I'm
So just a
stopping.
rechecking, sir. So today we
Yeah,
have
tell me.
Outlook and it's troubleshooting, right, sir?
Yeah, we have discussed about Outlook and some troubleshooting method and Outlook troubleshooting and as well as application, any application generally how we troubleshoot out. So how can we understand it? I didn't
So
discuss
the
about
notes will be
BSUD. I will
updated.
discuss it. Yeah,
Okay. The
yeah,
notes will be
Outlook is
updated.
notes is with same link.
Okay, sir.
If you miss the link, I can share it again. No problem. There is Gasri. This is one. Yeah, next. Also, I'm stop this recording. I will board the records today.